This is the diggings. There's another diggings about 1 kilometer down this road. Someone's sieving. That is Wally over there, looking at...
A real nice cutter.
Ooh, a real nice cutter, he says. That's what they grew in. And all these little crystals grew in it. And of course, when you have little ones, you can also get big ones. That's a crystal form. But it's broken in half and they're decomposed. When you come here, if you don't want to dig, you can just go through other people's malachite and you will find a few chips here and there. That's actually half a bowl. And every now and then you find big ones. Okay, here. I got one here. Let's check out the colors. So that's the colors. They come in, so it's just a matter of finding clear ones. Okay, another big one here. So if you don't want to dig, it's just strewn all over the field here. And see, if I go just scratch around, I create a flat surface. And see that one there? It's another small one. Every now and then you find a big one because they are so easy to miss. So what I look for generally, most of the rocks here are mainly composed of quartz. And schist and broken up schist and shale and a couple of basalt that broken up, bits of granite. They're mostly on the lighter color or the lighter side. So what you're going to look for is anything that's black. Anything that's black, focus your attention into anything that's black like these ones here. So you've got the balls. I like collecting the balls because it'd be easy to tumble them and drill a hole and make nice little rondelle shape or round beads from them. I'm just trying to get, there you go, trying to look for a big one, and now it's a bigger one. And if you want to get the big crystals, of course, you got no choice but to dig for them. See the schist coming out of the ground here? And that's where they grew out from, so in between the cracks. And you get this wash, very sandy, that's decomposed schist, and that's where the garnets are. So you can see from here, look, nice big one showing there. Whoops. So they're the balls and little small chips everywhere. Look. So that's the indicator, another bit of half a ball. And if you dig through that, see, that's decomposed. Look at that. They're just all piled up there. Look at that. And probably, oh, okay, nice little ball. So it's just a matter of luck, I guess, when the big crystals pop out. And there's ones here that's got 12 sides, and we call them bow-deckers, or an old fella who's been fossicking this area for 18 years, is what he calls them, bow-decker. That's Wally Hard at work. He's just digging in between the schist, or he's picking up the wash from...
In the channels, where they get deposited in the channels. They're washed down at the edges and then they get deposited in the channel in between the schists. But there's some nice size ones amongst them. The hardest way of doing it though. It's easier just to spec them. You've got the two size sieves, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch. Most of your cutters are in the smaller sieve, in this one here. And most of your bigger bombs end up in this one here. But in this one there's probably nothing.
Yeah, this one.
A little bit of a bomb. They're mostly like that. Yeah, those sorts of
look.
ones like that.
Ooh, I love this. And the little crystal garnets, they're actually very gemmy, so they come big ones, and you get, sometimes you get perfect crystal ball. If you hold them, I'll just go behind. It is just beautiful. So there's a lot of cutters in this area. And then, there you go, that, just on the edge, beautiful. The wash that you're looking for are mainly lots of little rocks and pebbles and gravel, basically. You can sieve this, so you knock it down, and you can already see a couple of garnets there. It's 1, So anything that's black, because they're covered with dirt, so if you're just specking them or picking them from the top, anything that's black, pick it up. 9 out of 10, the garnets. So you get small ones, of course. Another small one, another small one. That's another one as well. And then you get little tiny balls. They're actually cute, but they're all transparent. It's like red. The diggings are just over there, and Wally had a little wander around the place to try and find what it looks like on the original wash when no one has dug in it. Only about 20 meters from the dig zone, I call them. So you got the schist sticking out of the ground here everywhere. They are just everywhere here, look. Balls, chips of garnets, those ones, they're all garnets, just garnets everywhere. Nice little balls, nice little garnet balls. All of them here, I don't know which one to pick. Wally's just dug a little hole, probably about 6 inches deep. And all of this, you can't really tell because they're sort of orange. But again, you can see from the shape, that's a crystal. And then again, another little crystal ball. And millions of them. And he's done a sieve. This one's nice crystal shape. You can see the facets on the crystals. That one's just a ball, garnet balls. And these ones are big chips. Another nice crystal shape. They're all golden.